Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Structural Funda, and today we are going to learn about design of lap joint using M24.6 grade bolt. From example number 1 we can find out the bolt value of M24.6, which is equal to 45.3 kilonewton. So width of the plate is 120 and thickness of the plate is 10 mm. Now we have given the design load as 180 kilonewton. So let us assume that the design load PD must be equal to 180 as given data. Now from example number 1 we can find out the bolt value, and from that data we can say that the bolt value for M20 4.6 grade ordinary bolt is equal to 45.26 or near about 45.3 kilonewton. If bolt value is not given to us, then we have to find out the two equation VDSB and VDPB from Indian Standard 800 2007, and minimum of these two values is known as the bolt value. So different bolt diameter as well as the different grade is given, and according to that, using example number 1 from the playlist, you can find out VDSB and VDPB, and minimum value is known as the bolt value. So we directly take 45.3 kilonewton as already M24.6 grade bolt is solved. So we have the bolt value as 45.3. Now generally bolt value indicates that per one single bolt it takes 45.3 kilonewton load, means the single bolt capacity is 45.3. Now we have to design 180 kilonewton load. So numbers of bolt required can be find out by dividing design load by bolt value. Now design load is given as 180 kilonewton and bolt value is our 45.3 kilonewton. It is almost 3.97. Now this indicates that we require 3 numbers of full bolt, and 0.97 indicates 97% of the bolt as a partial bolt, but we cannot divide the bolt in part wise, mean percentage wise. So we have to provide more bolts, 4 numbers of bolt. So we have to calculate the numbers in successive order, not the descending order. Okay, so if our value is 5.25, so we have to provide it 6. If 4.99, then also we have to provide it 5. Okay, so similarly we can find out the numbers of bolt. So first of all we have to find out the VDSB, VDPB and bolt value. Next one is numbers of bolt. Now we know that for M20 bolt, diameter of hole is equal to 22 mm. Next pitch value is 50 mm and end distance is 40 mm or 35 mm, whatever we assume. We have to provide the data. Now we have to provide these 4 numbers of bolt in the drawing detailing work. This detailing is not to scale. We have to provide lap joint. It means that plate 1 and plate 2 both are in overlap condition. So this one is the plan value and this one is the detailing work, or we can say that this one is the section and this one is the plan value also. Now we have to provide total 4 numbers of bolt. So I have assumed that the 2 numbers of column and 2 numbers of row is provided. This bolt is M20 4.6 grade, and we have to notate the all distance. So distance in the direction of load is known as pitch. Distance in perpendicular direction to the load is known as gauge value. Both are equal. Now end distance and edge distance is from bolt center to the plate and bolt center to the edge. But we know that our plate width is 120 mm. Out of 120, if we remove 50 mm, then we have remaining 70 mm, which is distributed equally from top and bottom. So this value is remaining as 35 and this one is also 35, which is remaining part. And edge distance or end distance is assumed as 40 mm. So we will take this distance as 40 mm because 40 mm is not restricted by the length of overlapping, while the width is restricted as 120. So we have to assume the gauge value 50 and remaining part as a end distance or edge distance. Okay, so this one is the detailing work, which shows that if M20 4.6 grade bowl is given, 120 by 10 mm thick plate is given, and total numbers of bolt is 4, and if we provided in the row, not only single row but provided in double bolts in a row, then the detailing works look like this. Now next thing, first one is gross area. Now gross area is defined as the total area of plate, so 120 by 10, which is equal to 1200 mm square. And next one is AN, net area, and according to the theory we have to provide the cutted part or critical part. So assume this part as a critical perpendicular to the load, or this part, both part are equal. If we see that the section 2 as a critical section or section 1 as a critical section, both are equal. So AN is nothing but the width is 120 minus the 2 times the diameter of all, n times the DH. So 2 times diameter of all is equal to 22 into plate thickness 10 mm 160 mm square as a net area. Now let us try to check for the gross as well as the yielding. So check for connection. Now from figure we can say that AG equal to 1200 mm square and AN is equal to 760 mm square. Now let us check for the yielding, and according to clause number 6.2 page number 32 from IS 800 2007, we have equation for the yielding. TDG is equal to AG Fy by gamma m0. Now AG we have taken as 1200 mm square, Fy as 250 Newton per mm square, and gamma m0 is 1.10 from table number 5 page number 30. It is 272.72 in terms of kilonewton. Now we have designed this value as 180 kilonewton, which is very greater than 180 kilonewton. It means it is safe in the yielding, or we can say that it is okay connection. Now next connection is designed for the rupture, and according to clause number 6.3.1, the equation is given as TDN is equal to 0.9 AN Fu by gamma m1, and the value is 0.9, AN is equal to 760, Fu is general we take as a 410, and gamma m1 it is equal to 1.25, and it is near about 224.4 or 224.35 kilonewton. Again very greater than 180 kilonewton, which is equal to our design load. It means that our calculation is safe in the rupture. Now both the calculation is safe. It may indicates that our design for 120 by 10 mm thick plate and design load as 180 kilonewton, if we provided 4 numbers of bolt as shown in the figure, our design is safe. It means that if you are asked for design a lap joint for 120 mm cross 10 mm thick plates, if you have given M24.6 grade bolt and if you provided like this connection like this, your connection is safe. So you have to design lap joint according to different criteria given by examiner or given by the designer. You can calculate the lap joint like this. If you have any query, then you can mail me on my mail ID